I can see that in the side view we haven't quite pulled these vertices here out far enough back here, so we're going to have to move those. We can fix that by going to our model, grabbing the edge vertices and pulling them right back. So these need to come and meet, almost meet the ear. So we're going to take it to halfway. These probably need to come back a little bit more as well. These are following the contour of that eyebrow, like in this one. That's the very ridge of the eyebrow there. Okay, if we turn Turbo Smooth back on, we can see the transition's a lot smoother. We need to get the edge for the middle of the forehead in here. So again, I'm going to grab my edge tool, Turbo Smooth it off, grab my edge tool and pull out another edge here, like so. Go back to my vertices tool and make sure it's following this black outline of the head. Now here we can either target weld these onto there, which I think I may do. Yeah, we're going to target weld this vertice to here and have a look how that looks. So this line needs to come out slightly further, so I'm going to deselect target weld, pull them out like this, and make sure that we get a better ridge. Okay, so these could be tucked in slightly more so that we get a more defined forehead. This perhaps comes out slightly too far. Just checking all the lines line up. Okay, I'm going to work a little bit more on the lower side of the face. Just pull out these polygons here. So let's turn Turbo Smooth off. I'm going to grab this face here and pull it out, holding down Shift again, down to here. Use my vertices tool and take it to the bottom here. See that the chin comes out slightly further here, so I'm going to grab these vertices and pull them out to meet that chin, like so, and smooth out these. Right, so I'm going to grab my edge tool again. Oh no, before I do that I'm going to fix these vertices here, pull them up slightly so that they meet this black line, like so. Yep, and then grab the edge tool again and pull out another edge in the side view this time, so that we can see that it tucks underneath the chin. And if I just have a look at that with Turbo Smooth on, you can see that the chin gets smoothed underneath like that. So we're starting to see these loops around the eyes develop, and the loops around the mouth. We're going to continue filling in the gaps until we get a full face mask. I'm going to grab my edge tool, hold down Shift, pull out another face here. It's the vertice tool, target weld these vertices together. So then we have those connected. Come in again and smooth these out slightly using the move tool. Move these up so that they're slightly more evenly spaced. From here I'm going to grab this whole edge here and pull it back along the x-axis here so that I get a nice smooth line here, and it's going back in this axis here. I'm going to need to smooth this out slightly, so still with the edges selected, we're going to move them down in this view to meet the edge of the chin and adjust the individual vertices so that they all follow it smoothly. I'm going to grab my target weld tool and weld these two together like so. And I'm going to weld this one to this one over here, like that. And then smooth out these curves. So I want something that sort of flows downwards like this, smoothly. So I'm going to move these up slightly. And this one outwards. So I'm just looking for smooth curved loops along these edges here. Around here. We'll fill that in a minute. Just smooth out this chin a little bit, bring it down. Possibly bring it back in. Bring this vertice back. Like so. Okay, so that's the best part of the chin done. If we hit Turbo Smooth to see how that flows. There's a slight seam here because we didn't put the vertices together. We can fix that in a minute. So we'll just fix this seam here by turning Turbo Smooth off. You can see how the vertices don't quite come up to this center line here. So if we just push them slightly into that center line, you can see that that seam disappears. There's still one not connected here. Let's grab it, pull it together slightly, and this one. There we go. See that it smooths it all out. So the next part that we need to tackle are these nostrils.